cleaning your mind is one thing. What to do with it is something completely different. Just like I tell people that are concerned about doing a tikkun when they don't really have much money, I tell them, don't let the tikkun stop your chuva. A chuva for immorality, whether it be wasting seed, promiscuity, intermarriage, and so on, adultery, chuva for that does not require the tikkun. A tikkun is a very strong recommendation for those that are able to do it. But they're completely two separate things. Chuva is stopping the sin, saying I'm sorry and never doing it again. Tikkun is fixing what you've broken after you've done tshuva. Meaning, if you just do a tikkun but you continue sinning, you're just simply wasting your time. It's like going to the mikveh while you're holding a pig in your hands. It's not going to help you.